Yo guys, what's going on, and welcome back today to a brand new video on the channel. So today guys, what we're going to be speaking about is actually a little bit of an update, and I've got some really exciting news. Something really exciting to actually speak to you about in this video. This isn't a normal type of video where I sit down and I teach you about SMMA, outsourcing. This is more of an update to give you guys a bit of an idea what's going on in my life currently, what my plans are for the future, how January's gone so far, and things like that. And like I said, I've got some really exciting news which you guys aren't going to want to miss out. That's going to be in this video. So please stick around, watch to the end, and let's jump into it. So if you've been following the channel for a while, you know that my goal this year in 2018 is to make £250,000, right? So £250,000 is my goal. Now, in my goals video, if you've seen it, you'll know that I've broken down month to month exactly how much I need to earn every single month and how I need to get there, the plan in order to get there, how much I need to progress every month on the different streams of income to reach my goal. And it's safe to say that currently I'm doing better than planned. January's been my best month in business by far. It's been absolutely fantastic, and that's for a few reasons which I'm going to go into in this video. Number one is my SMMA business is just going crazy at the minute. As you know, I stumbled upon this strategy late last year, how I can get clients very easily. My business is running on, it's pretty much automated. I've outsourced all my work. So all I focus on now is getting clients and then outsourcing it. And the way that I acquire clients, the way that I get clients is different to 99% of other people on the internet. I don't actually know anyone who does what I'm doing apart from my coaching students who I've taught how to do it. And I've been able to get this month so far, I think 7 or 8 new clients. I'm in conversation with at least a minimum 15 other potential clients, which I'm aiming to get another few clients by the end of this month. And if so, I'm aiming to get 10 clients this month. So if I get a couple more clients, I would have doubled my whole client base in 1 month. In 1 month, I would have doubled my whole client base. Now you've got to bear in mind, I'm not even doing any of this work. Obviously I do the client acquisition, but the rest of my business is just outsourced, so I don't have to worry about that. I just have to manage and maintain it, and like I said, focus on income producing activities, which is for me going out and getting clients. Now, since I stumbled upon this strategy, obviously I've been putting a lot more effort into my personal brand recently. I'm obviously going to Australia, doing a few more collaborations, and since then I've started taking on some coaching students, and my coaching students are absolutely flipping killing it. Now, when I say this stuff that I do is easy, it's taken me 9 to 10 months to stumble upon this strategy, and this strategy that I implement is very actionable. I wake up every day and I do it, and that's how I've been able to get, hopefully this month, 10 new clients, but currently 7 to 8 new clients I've got. So very actionable. So since doing my coaching, I've been teaching my coaching students how to do the exact same thing that I've been doing, my exact strategy to get clients. And bear in mind guys, this is different to everybody else on the internet. I don't cold call, I don't go door to door. This is all done online, this is all done freelance based, and I still make very good money, and I still am able to outsource it. But the way I do it is completely different. No one else on the internet is doing it this way. So because I had that value and that information to give, I started doing coaching in January. In January, I've helped several students. What I'm actually going to do is put some testimonials up on the screen now of some current students. Now, these are all students that I've started working with maximum 3 weeks ago. In the beginning of January is the first time I ever did a coaching call, right? After that, I've helped several people this month now, and all of them are killing it just because the way that I get clients is so actionable, and to be honest with you, it's really quite easy. And because my students are getting such fantastic results, and because I know I can help a lot of people, I've got some really exciting news for you guys, and I'm absolutely buzzed to announce it. And that is, I'm actually going to be releasing my course very soon on this exact strategy. I'm going to be releasing a social media marketing course. Now, this course is going to be different to everyone else's. It's going to be completely different to anyone else's. I am going to cover results, I'm going to cover outsourcing, I'm going to cover automation, I'm going to cover a ton of other things, right? Which is super important to SMMA. But the biggest thing that I'm going to cover in this course is going to be how I actually go about getting my clients, how I was able to grow my business massively in January alone, pretty much, hopefully, I'm aiming to have doubled the size of my SMMA in January alone, and how I've been able to help some of my students. Like one of my students I worked with 3 weeks ago, he was jobless before, he didn't have any income. He's now pulling in £3,600 a month recurring. We spoke together 3 weeks ago, so that's about $5,000 a month he's bringing in just from the coaching that I've given him. Now, I was thinking, do I wait to release my course to 500 subs, 1,000 subs, 2,000 subs or something like that? But the thing is, if I can release it now and just help one person, 2 people, 3 people to be able to quit their job and get clients and work from home and work anywhere in the world, live the laptop lifestyle, go to Australia like I did, work from anywhere like I can, if I can help people do that, why not start doing it now? Why not start doing it as soon as possible? So I'm super pumped. I've started filming it. It's going to come out on the 4th of February. So it gives me just over a week now to finish producing the content. I've planned it all, I've started filming it, and guys, I'm just gonna put it out there. This is going to be insane. The value in there is going to be nuts, just because it is so actionable. You guys don't have to cold call. You guys don't have to go door to door. You guys don't have to have any previous experience. You guys, all you need to do is to be willing to learn what I teach you and put it into action, and you guys can start making money online ASAP. I mean, literally ASAP. The thing is, I say in this course is different to other people's courses. You know, I'm really good friends with Ollie Chapman, and I know there's a lot of other people on the market, such as Joe Soto, Ty Lopez, that also have social media marketing courses. Now, I'm not saying mine's better than them. I'm not saying, sitting here and saying mine's better than them. What I'm saying is mine is completely different to theirs. I don't think you should buy mine instead of theirs. I think you should buy mine as well as theirs. Because you're basically going to be hybriding your agency. It's like the average millionaire, I think, has 7 streams of income. 7 streams. Well, what does that tell you? You need to make money from as many different avenues as possible. Because what I do is so actionable, I recommend buying my course, doing what I teach you, getting clients this way, but also getting clients by cold calling, also going door to door, also doing this. But this is going to become a whole other stream of income for you guys if you do decide to get it. Now, if you guys don't want to go and get it, that's absolutely fine. I'm not releasing it yet. Like I said, it's coming out the 4th of February. But I am super passionate about it, and I really know it's going to be an amazing course just because some of the results that my students have been having so far. So that's super, super exciting. Like I said, I cannot wait to release it. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to be releasing it on the 4th of February. Now, as soon as it comes out on the 4th of February, the price is going to be £249. So it's a really, really cheap price. For the content that's going to be in there, it's super, super cheap, right? Like super cheap. All you need is one client within your first month, or what? Just say you don't get a client for 3 months and you get one client, you've already made your money back. But like I said, guys, I've had students and coaching students that I've been working with who have been able to get $5,000 a month in recurring clients just from this information. So you will make your money back immediately as soon as you just get one client, right? Immediately. And I promise you guys, if you take action on what you learn, it's not going to be long at all until you actually start getting some results. So that's super, super exciting. And I just want to put something out there. I want you to understand that I don't want you to feel like I'm pushing this on you. I'm just so passionate about it because I know it can help you. Social media marketing is one of the best business models out there, in my opinion. You don't need any startup costs. You don't need any money to get started with this. You just need to be willing to invest in yourself a little and take action on what you've learned. So like I said, that's really amazing, really amazing. It's something exciting to look forward to. But on release day, when that comes out, it's going to be £249. So only £249, which is super, super cheap. However, if you guys do want to get into the pre-release, I'm actually only for people who watch until in this part. Like if you watch this far in the video, like almost 10 minutes into the video, it's sort of a little gift to you. I'm actually going to be giving you £50 off if you want to enroll before. You can't sign up via Teachable, but shoot me a DM on Instagram if you want the £50 off, and I'll actually be giving it to you for £199. So shoot me an Instagram DM if you want to get it in early, and then I'll give you a discount just for being being people who take action early and actually start to invest in yourself. So that's something that's super, super exciting to announce. Again, like I said, my coaching students have been having fantastic results. So for me, it's super fulfilling. January's been a very, very fulfilling month. So moving forward, what am I doing? What's going on in my life? So over the next couple of weeks, I'm super going to be hustling and grinding out on my personal brand. I'm really going to be pushing this course out as much as possible, getting fantastic content in there for you guys, as well as uploading daily. So over the next couple of weeks, personal brand is going to be my main focus. From then, I've got loads of cool stuff planned. I'm going on a couple holidays that I'm not going to explain too much now, but some really exciting stuff coming for the personal brand. Again, moving forward, loads more social media marketing content to come. And I'm aiming to do a few things to take the personal brand up to another level. But that's pretty much all I wanted to speak to you about today, guys, in this video. It was just an update on my life, how business has been going, and like I said, where I plan to be going. If business still keeps going as well as it is and grows month to month, as well as it has done this month, I think £250,000 this year is going to be massively lowballing what we could hit. I think we might even be able to push 300-400k, depending how quick this stuff picks up at the beginning of this year. We may be able to push £300,000-400,000 this year, which in dollars that'd be $500,000, which would be absolute madness if that's something that we can do. But I'm here to document every single step of the way. And like I said, guys, my agency's been going fantastic. So good that I'm in a stage right now where I'm getting so much interest. I'm getting too many people wanting to have calls with me. I'm getting too many potential clients messaging me. I can't physically handle it all, which is a first world problem to have. So like I said, if you want to find out how I've done that, you can enroll in the course early. All you have to do is send me an Instagram DM just saying that you're interested in the course and that you want to enroll early. I'll give you that £50 discount. I think it works out to something like 20% discount. Again, like I said, on release day, it's going to be $249. And it comes out on the 4th of February. So got some exciting things to look forward to. You know, investing in myself for me has been game changing. Like mentors, coaches, books, courses have been the whole reason I've been able to be where I am right now. It's why I'm able to live the laptop lifestyle, work wherever I want, take care of my friends and my family, and do these cool things. You know, fly out to Australia within a week's notice. I've literally just booked today, me and my girlfriend, to go to this 5-star lodge, and we're going to go out there for like 5 days, and we're chilling. It's got a sauna in there, it's got a bathtub in the bedroom, it's got a hot tub, it overlooks the lakes. We're going to go to a Michelin star restaurant while we're there. And you know, 12 months ago this wouldn't have been something I've been able to afford at my normal job, but investing in myself, learning, taking shortcuts, and see, learning's good only if you're going to take action. So you know what, if you're not going to take any action on a course, don't buy it. If you're going to take action, invest in yourself by all means, because if you take action on what you learn, you will become successful. And it's been game changing for me, and that's why I thought I'd come out with a course now rather than later, because like I said, if I can help just 1, 2, 3 of you guys now, that'd be fantastic. And the thing is, I'm getting so much interest in my coaching, I can only help so many people. I do still have my agency to run, and I have other businesses to do. I've got my personal brand, and I can only help so many people with coaching, because it's still time for money. With this course, I can put all that information, condense it into one course, so every single one of you guys can buy it and learn the stuff that I'm doing. So it's super exciting. I'm gonna do a video closer to release day, actually talking in depth about what's in the course, through the modules, what exactly you're going to get. But let me just put it this way. The stuff that I'm going to be putting in there, I'm not holding anything back. I'm teaching you my whole business model. Absolutely everything. I'm giving you my scripts, my calling scripts, my sales scripts, what I use to close clients, what I put my hourly rate at, how I do my profile, absolutely everything, like how I structure my day in order to get clients and how I get results for clients. Everything's going to be in there. It's going to be insane value, guys. It's going to be absolute madness. And like I said, there's no one else doing this on the market. And you know, if you've bought Ty Lopez's course, if you've bought any other social media marketing course, fantastic, even better. Mine's different. I'd recommend doing both, because like I said, the average millionaire has 7 streams of income. Diversify the way you get clients, and you're only going to become more successful and earn more money, and your agency's only going to grow bigger. So anyway, guys, I hope that helped you understand what I've been doing over the past few months, what I'm working on, and that exciting news that I've got to tell you. If you are interested in enrolling early, like I said, it's going to be £199, which is super cheap for what you're getting. There's going to be like 10 modules in there or something, full of like tons and tons of lessons within these modules. There's going to be hours and hours worth of content, and like I said, I'm going to be breaking down, going through my whole business model for you on how I've able to scale and outsource and live as passively as I'm able to now. Now, if that interests you, shoot me a DM. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.